To simplify the fraction 9 over 2 into its simplest form, lowest term or reduced form. So to simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or divisor. 1 times 2 equal to 2, so 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. Again 1 times 9 equal to 9, so 1 and 9 are the factors of 9. And 3 times 3 equal to 9, so 3 is the factor of 9. Here the greatest common factor or divisor between these two numbers is just 1. Actually, look, 2 has only two factor 1 and the digit itself. So this is a prime number. If you get any prime number either in numerator or denominator, you have to think that the greatest common divisor or factor will be 1. And if you divide numerator and denominator by 1, you will get the same fraction. This is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator, so we need to convert this improper fraction to mixed number. So how to do that? Divide 9 by 2. 2 goes into 9 how many times? 4 times. 4 times 2, 8. Subtract 1. So this 4 will be our whole number part. This will be our numerator. This will be our denominator. So 4 and half is our answer.